Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lentil soup. Begin by sorting and rinsing 2 cups of lentils, removing debris, then choose to soak or cook directly. Warm a heavy pot, add olive oil and sauté chopped onion, garlic, carrots, and celery until soft and fragrant. Pour in 6 cups of broth, add spices and the lentils, bring to a gentle simmer, and cook until tender and flavorful before finishing with lemon and herbs. Start with medium heat and a splash of olive oil, then sweat the aromatics until they soften and sweeten. Stir in rinsed lentils, pour in 6 cups of broth, and add your chosen spices. Bring the pot to a gentle simmer, cover partially, and cook until lentils are tender but not falling apart. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, and acidity, and mash or blend a portion for creamier texture if desired. Quick recommendation: if you meal prep your lentil soup, grab some leak-proof containers to avoid spills and keep portions fresh. They stack neatly and save time. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more cooking videos you enjoy. I put the product link and other deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with spices and mix-ins to keep this soup exciting and adaptable. For a smoky twist, add smoked paprika or chipotle, or use curry powder for Indian flavors. Toss in cooked rice, quinoa, or diced potatoes to bulk it up for meal prep. Finish each bowl with a squeeze of lemon and a drizzle of olive oil to lift the flavors. Cool completely before refrigerating or freezing portions for later enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.